we have say all the previous questions. We had a daily code. Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Maths previous year questions from the chapter statistics. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. And in any other chapter of maths, if you have any difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comments so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions in that chapter. And also please install our Sapience education application, which where we shall upload some important questions on previous year JEE Maths exam, which shall be obviously helpful for exam. Here it is told, let the mean of the data be 5. The mean of this data, which is the x bar, that is 5. If m and sigma square are the mean deviation above the mean and the variance of the data, then 3 alpha by 3 sigma. So that is 3 sigma by m plus sigma square is equal to 3 alpha by m plus sigma square is equal to. Now here x bar is 5, so x bar I can say that is equal to x bar that will be that is equal to summation si into xi by summation si. So therefore x bar that is 5, I can say that is 4 into 1, 4 plus 24 into 3, that is 72 plus this is it's of 40. It's a 40, 10 and 40 plus this is 7 alpha plus this is and it's just 72. This divided by 4 plus 24, that is 28 plus 28, that is 56 plus 8, that is 64. 64 plus alpha. So therefore I can say 64 plus alpha into 5, that is equal to 72 plus 72, that is 144. 144 plus 4 is 148. 48 plus 140, that is 288 plus 7 alpha. So therefore I can say 5 into 4, that is 20. Let's see, 30, that is 320 plus 5 alpha, that is equal to 288 plus 7 alpha. So therefore I can say 2 alpha, that is equal to 320 minus 288. Therefore alpha will be equal to this 8, that is 2, 10 minus 8, that is 2, and 9, 2 minus 9, that is 3. 32 by 2, that is equal to 16. So alpha, the value of alpha is 16. Now the mean deviation about the mean value, that is equal to summation fi into mod of xi minus x bar divided by summation fi, which is going to be. Now therefore summation fi alpha is 16, so therefore summation fi, that is equal to 64 plus 16, that is equal to 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 60, that is 80. The summation fi is 80, so there are 80 observations. So therefore this will be summations of 4 into This is 1 minus 5 mod, that is 4, plus 24 into 3 minus 5 mod, that is 2, plus 28 into 5 minus 5, that will be 0. And then plus 16 into 7 minus 5 mod, that is 2, plus 8 into 9 minus 5, that is 4. But divided by 80. This will be equal to 4 to the 16, 16 plus 22 to the 48 plus 32 plus 2 is 32. For 32 divided by 80, so this will be 32 plus 32, that is 64, 64 plus 16, that is 80, 80 plus 48, that is 128 divided by 80, so this will be 8 times 80, and 8 1s are 8, 6 8s are 48, so this is 1.6. The mean deviation is about the mean is 1.6, therefore the above m is 1.6. And then sigma square we have to find out. So now alpha and alpha value is 16, we have found it out. Then sigma square, so sigma square, that will be equal to the variance, that is summation xi square by, I can say this is summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. So this will be summation fi is 4 into minus 5 x square whole square, that is 16, plus this is 24 into 5 minus 3 2 whole square, that is 4, plus this is 16, that is 28 into 5 minus 5 whole square, that is 0. So 16 into 7 minus 5 whole square, that is 2 square, that is 4, plus 8 into 9 minus 5 whole square, so the 16. So this divided by 8. This will be equal to 16 to the 64 plus 24 4 to the 16 to the 8 96 plus 16 to the 64 plus 6 8 the 48 6 are 48 8 1 is 8 8 plus 4, that is 12 by 80. So this will be 6 96 plus 4 is 100 plus 60, that is 160 plus this is 64 plus 128 by 80. So this will be equal to 224, 16 plus 6, that is 22. 24 plus 128, 8 plus 4, that is 12, plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, plus 3, so 352 by 80. So this will be 8 times 80, 4 8 is 32, 4 8 is 32, 4 8 is 32, 4 8 is 32, and 4 8 is 32, so that is 4.4. Now therefore we need to find the value of 3 alpha by m plus sigma square. 3 alpha by m plus sigma square, so that is 3 into alpha, that is 16, divided by m, that is 1.6, plus sigma square, that is 4.4. So this will be 16 to the 48 divided by 4.4 plus 0.6, that is 5. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6 8 is 48, so that is equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. And here it is told that let the positive numbers A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5 be in GP. Let the mean and the variance be 31 by 10, n by n respectively, where m and n are co-prime, if the mean of their reciprocals, the mean of their reciprocals is 31 by 40, and a3 plus a4 plus a5 is 14, and n plus m is equal to. So these are in GP. So let's say we can consider A1 as A, then A2 will be equal to AR, where R is the common ratio. A5 will be equal to AR power 4. Therefore, their mean value, mean I can call it as mean, that is equal to 31 by 10, so 3.1, that is equal to A plus AR plus 10 AR power 4 divided by 5. So this will be equal to sum of 5 terms. So is A into R power 5 minus 1 by R minus 1 divided by 5. So that is equal to 3.1. Here it is told that A3 plus A4 plus A5, that is equal to 14. Therefore, I can say AR square plus AR power 3 plus AR power 4, that is equal to 14. Equal to 14. So I can say that AR square into 1 plus R square, that is equal to 14. So from here we can see that A into 1 plus R square plus R cube plus R power 4, that is equal to 31 by 10. 31 by 10 and 5. So that is 31 by 2. And their variance that is sigma square, that will be equal to summation this a square plus a square r square plus a square r power 8 divided by 5 minus their mean square. That is 31 by 10 plus that is given as m by n. Now this can be written as this is a square into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 plus r power 6 plus r power 8 divided by 5, that is equal to m by n plus 3.1 whole square. So here It is told also the mean of their reciprocals is 31 by 40. Mean of their reciprocals. Mean of the reciprocals is 31 by 40. It means, therefore, the mean of 1 by a plus 1 by ar plus 1 by ar square plus 1 by ar power 3 plus 1 by ar power 4 divided by 5, that is equal to 31 by 40. Therefore, I can say 1 by a into 1 by 1 plus 1 by r plus 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 3 plus 1 by r power 4, that is equal to 31 by 40. Then now, if you take the sum, this will be 1 by a into this is 1 minus r power 5. So it is here the common ratio is 1 by r. So it is power 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by r. That is equal to 31 by 40. So here this can be written as 1 by a into r power 5 minus 1 by r minus 1 into this is r power this is 1 by r power 5 will r power 5 will come the LCM here, and here r will come LCM, so that r will go up. So this is 1 by r power 4. That is equal to 31 by 40. Here this will be a into r power 5 minus 1 by r minus 1. That is equal to 31 by 2. No, so this value I can write, this is 31 by 2a. This is 31 by 2a into 1 by r power 4, that is equal to 31 by 50. 31 so this is a square. 1 by a into 31 by 2a. That's why from here I can say r power 5 minus 1 by r minus 1, that is 31 by 2a. 31 will cancel, 2 20 is 40. A square r power 4, that is equal to 20. So we have here so this will be divided by 5. So this into 5 will be so 31 by 8. 31 by 8 actually. 31 by 8, so 2 4 is 8. So it means here a square upon 4 is equal to 4. So AR square will be equal to 2. AR square is 2. So therefore, A I can say it is 2 by R square. So therefore, I can say this will be So 3r square is 2. So 2 into 4 from here. If I put a as 1 by 2 by r square, so 2 by r square into 1 plus r square plus r cube plus r power 4, that is equal to 31 by 2. 31 by 2. So this will be 1 by r square plus 1 by r plus 1 plus r square. That will be equal to 31 by 4. And now it means r plus 1 by r plus r square plus 1 by r square. That is equal to 31 by 4 minus 1. Now therefore, you can say that r plus 1 by r square plus 1 by r square, that can be written as r plus 1 by r whole square minus 2. So r plus 1 by r whole square minus 2 plus r plus 1 by r, what is equal to 51 minus 4 is 27 by 4. So this, if I take it as t, r plus 1 by r, if I take it as t, so t square plus t minus 27 by 4 minus 2. That is equal to 0. So I can say that this will be t square plus t minus 27 plus, that is 45 by 4, that is equal to 0. So therefore I can say that this will be 4t square plus 4t minus 35, that is equal to 0. So 35 into 4, that is 140. And 14 into 10, that is also 140. So this will be 4t square plus 14t minus 10t minus 35, that is equal to 0. So this will be 2t into 2t minus 7, 2t plus 7 minus 5 into 2t plus 7. This will be equal to 0. So this will be 2t plus 7 into 2t minus 5. That will be equal to 0. So t will be equal to 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. T will be equal to 5 by 2 or minus 7 by 2. Is that R plus 1 by R, it can be equal to 5 by 2 or it can be minus 7 by 2. But R is not negative. It is told that, so this is R plus 1 is told R square plus 1 plus R square, that is R plus R, that is equal to 7, since this is equal to 2. Is that R square plus R, that is equal to 6. R in means R minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So this is plus 3 and minus 2. R plus 3 into R plus 3 into R minus 2, that is equal to 0. So R can be equal to minus 3 or 2. But R can't be negative. So R should be 2. Therefore, R should be 2. Therefore, R is equal to 2. And here also you can say that if R square plus 1 is equal to 5R by 2, I can say 2R squared minus 5R plus 2, that is equal to 0. So I can say 2R squared to the 4, so minus 4R minus R plus 2 equal to 0. So I can say 2R into R minus 2 minus 1 into R minus 2, that is equal to 0. So R can be half or 2, but if we take the intersection of these two sets, we will get R equal to 2 only. So therefore R is 2. Therefore R is 2, and so A will be 2 by R square, that is 2 by 4, that is equal to half. Therefore the variance is N by N. Therefore now the variance sigma square, that is given as M by N, that is equal to summation of this square of them, that is 1 by 4 plus AR, that is 1 square, plus AR square. This is actually A square into 1 plus R square into 1 plus R square, that is 4 plus R power 6, that is R power 3, R power 2, that is 4, and R power 4, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, plus R power 6, 4 square whole cube, 4 to the 64, plus 6 R power 8, that is 4 power 4, is 4 to the 16, 24, 26 divided by 5 minus, this is 3.1 whole square, 31 by 10 whole square. So this will be equal to, we solve it, and we will get 10 plus 4, 20, 20, 84 plus 1, 85, 85 plus 256, that is 11, 9 plus 5, 14, 341 by 4, so 341 by 20, whole square, 341 by 20 minus 31 square, that is 31, so 31 ones are
61, 31 with a 93, 96. So 961 by 100 is equal to LCM is 100. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 15, 17, 1705 minus 961. So that is equal to 4, 4, and 10, so 744 by 100. Then we have to simplify it. The form is n by n. So this will be 4. I can cancel 4 comes as 100. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, 4 is 24. So it is 186 by 25, which is n by n. So since by 186 and 25 are 4 prime, so m is 186 and n is 25. So therefore we need to find out the value of m plus n. So m plus n will be 186 plus 25. So that is equal to plus that is 11, 10, 11. So 211. So 211 is the answer. 211 is the answer. But here it is told if the mean of the frequency distribution is 28, then its variance is. So the mean that will be equal to frequency. Now it is given in class intervals. We need to find that class mark which are xi values, and these are fi, frequencies are fi. So class mark here it will be 5, this will be 15, this will be 25, this will be 35, and this will be 45. So x bar that will be equal to summation fi xi or summation fi. So that will be the mean value is given, that is equal to 28. So now summation fi xi that will be 2 over 5 is 10 plus 2 is 45 plus x into 25, 25x plus 5 into 35, that is 5, 5 is 25 plus 15, 175 plus 4, 95 into 4, that is 180. So do that divided by 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus x, that is equal to 28. Now, therefore, 25x plus 55x plus 175 plus 55, 175 plus 55 plus 180, 25 plus 55 plus 180 should be 10, 12 plus 8, that is 20, 21, so that is 410, 410 divided by 40 plus x, that is equal to 100, that is equal to 28. So it means 25x plus 410, that is equal to 28 into 14, that is 14, 8 is 112, 4 is 32, 4 is 8, 11, 1 is 8, 28, so 2, 392 plus 28x. So this will be 28x will become 28x minus 25x, that is 3x is equal to 410 minus 392. So this will be 3x, that is equal to, this is 8, this is 18. That means x will become 6. X is equal to 6. So then variance we need to find out. Therefore, summation fi is the total number of observations is 14 plus 6, that is equal to 20. Now the variance will be equal to sigma square, that is summation fi into xi minus xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. So this will be equal to now summation fi, so x is 6. This will be xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar whole square. So this will be 5 minus 28, so 23 square. First one. Second one will be 13 square. And next one will be 3 square. And 35 minus 28, that is 7 square. 45 minus 28, that is 17. 17 square. And this will be 2 into 23 square, that is 2 into 23 square, that is 3 into 23, that is 23 is 69. 23 3s are 46. Or 23 3s are 69. Then 23 2s are 46. 46 plus 6, that is 529. So 5 2 into 529 plus this is 3 into 169 plus 6 into 9 plus 5 into 49 plus 4 into 17 square, that is 289. Divided by summation fi, that is 20. So this we need to find out. This will be equal to this is 2010 1058 plus 3927 048 007 plus 6954 plus 945 2245 plus this is 36 36 89 4 36, then 32 35 it's a 8 36, then 4 32 35 is a 8 11 divided by 20. So this will be equal to 28 plus 16 plus 1 plus 35 plus 1.6, so this is 3020 divided by 20. So this is equal to 1. 1 is 2, 10, so 151. So the variance is 151. 151 is answer. Then here it is told that the mean and the variance of 8 numbers being 9 and 9.25 respectively, if x is more than y, then 3x minus 2y is equal to. So therefore, the mean value that is equal to mu, let's say that is equal to 9. It is told, so that is equal to summation xi by, there are 8 numbers, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8, 8 numbers. Therefore, summation xi, that is equal to 9 into 72. It means that x plus y plus this 10 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 8, that is equal to 72. So therefore, x plus y, that will be equal to 72 minus 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, that is 20, 28, 28 plus 24, so that will be 4 plus 8, that is 12. 4 plus 1, that is 5, is 52. X plus y, that will be equal to 20. Plus y, that will be 20. Now the variance. And now the variance sigma square, that is given as, this will be 0.25. This should be summation xi minus x bar whole square divided by 8. This will be equal to actually x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square plus 10 minus 9 whole square, that is 1 square, plus 12 minus 9, so 3 square. So 6 minus 9, so 3 square. 4 minus 9 again, 3 square, plus 4 minus 9, 5 square, plus 8 minus 9, that is 1 square. That divided by 8, that is given as 9.25. Therefore, I can say x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square. So that will be equal to 9.25 into 8 minus, this is 3 through the 9, 9 through the 27, 27 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 25. So this will be equal to, so this is 9 or 1 by 4. In the 36, that is 37 by 4 actually into 8. Minus this is 27 into 2, that is 54. So this will be 4 is 8. So Q3 Q7 plus 14. Q6 74 minus 54, that is equal to 20. Now, therefore, I can say x square plus minus 81 minus 18x plus y square plus 81 minus 18x, that is equal to 20. I can say x square plus y square minus 18 into, this is y, 10 into x plus y plus 81 plus 81, that is equal to 20. Now this will be x square plus y square minus 18 into 20 plus this is 2 and this is 16 and 62, that is equal to 20. So this will be x square plus y square, that will be equal to 20 plus 18 to the 36, 360 minus 160. So this will be equal to 380 minus 162. So that will be 8. This is 7. So 1 is to 218. Now, therefore, x then say x plus y whole square minus 2xy. That will be equal to 218. Now x plus y whole square, that will be 400. 400 minus 2xy, that is equal to 18, 218. Therefore, 2xy, that is equal to actually 300 minus 218. So this will be 2, 8, and 3, so 182. 92. So xy is 91. So therefore, x minus y whole square, that will be equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So this will be 218 minus 182. So this will be 118 minus 182. So this will be 6. And this is 3. So 36. So therefore, x minus y, that is equal to 6. Since it is told x is more than y. So therefore, x plus y, we have found it as 20 and x minus y is 6. So therefore, 2x, if we add them, 2x is equal to 26. So therefore, x is equal to 13 and y will be equal to 7. Y will be equal to 7. So therefore, we need to find the value of 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y. So this will be 3 into 13 minus 2 into 7. So this will be 13, 3 are 39 minus 14. So this is equal to 25. So this is equal to 25. So 25 is the answer. And this here it is told if the mean and variance of the frequency distribution is 9 and 15.08 respectively, then the value of alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta is. Mean and the variance of the frequency. So therefore the mean of that is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. That is given as 9. So therefore I can say 2 into 4, that is 8, 8 plus 4 plus 16 plus 6 alpha plus 15 8 is 120 plus 80 plus 12 beta plus 14 4 is 56 plus 16 5 is 80. That divided by 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, 20 plus 20, it's 40, 40 plus alpha plus beta is the summation of fi, that is equal to 9. Alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta, that we need to find. Now from here I can say 8 plus 16, that is is 200. 8 plus 16, that is 24. 24, so 144. 144 plus 80 plus 80, that is 160 plus 56 plus 6 alpha plus 12 beta, that is equal to 436, 360 plus 9 alpha plus 9 beta. Now therefore, this is equal to 144 plus 56, so 56 plus 4, that is 60, 60 plus 140, that is 200, 200, so this is 360, 360 plus 6 alpha plus 60, 100, 360, so 360 plus 6 alpha plus 12 beta, that is equal to 360 plus 9 alpha plus 9 beta. 360, 360 will get cancelled, so 3 alpha, that is equal to 3 beta, I think here. 3 alpha is 3 beta, so therefore alpha equal to beta. So this beta I can call it as alpha only. So now therefore the variance of x, that is equal to sigma square, that is equal to 15.08, and that is equal to summation of fi. So we have to find out xi minus x bar whole square. So this will be 2 minus 9 square. And this will be 4 minus 9, so 5 square, 6 minus 9, so 3 square, and 8 minus 9, 1 square, 10 minus 9 again, 1 square, 12 minus 9, 3 square, 14 minus 9, 5 square, 16 minus 9 again, 7 square. So this will be equal to summation of fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. So this will be 4 into 7 square, 4 into 49 plus 4 into 25 plus 9 alpha plus 15 plus 8 plus 9 alpha plus 4 into 25 plus 5 into 49. This divided by this 40 plus 2 alpha. 40 plus 2 alpha, which is summation of I, and that is given as this 15.08. So it means alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta that we have to find. It means alpha square plus alpha square minus alpha square. It means alpha square only we need to find out. Alpha square you have to find out since alpha and beta are same. So therefore, I can say that 4 plus 5, so it is actually 9 into 49 plus 50. Plus 25 for 100, 100 plus 100, that is 200, 200 plus 9 alpha plus 9 alpha, that is 18 alpha, plus 15 plus 8, that is 23, divided by 40 plus 2 alpha, that is equal to 15.08. So therefore, I can say 9 is 81, 9 is 81, then 4 9 is 36, 81, and another 36, so 441 plus 200, that is 641, 641 plus 23, that is 664 plus 18 alpha. That is equal to 15.08 into 40 plus 2 alpha plus 2 alpha into 15.08. So therefore, alpha we need to find out. So 664 plus 18 alpha, that is equal to 50.8 into 4 plus this is 30.16 into alpha. Therefore, I can say this will be 30.16 minus 18 into alpha, that is equal to 664 minus 4 is 32. Maybe 60. This the alpha will be equal to 4 minus 603.2, that is equal to 60.8 divided by this is 80.18 16 minus 18, 15.16. Okay, this will be equal to 12.16. So this would be equal to 5 actually. 12 5 is 60, 16 5 is 80. So this alpha will be equal to 5. So therefore, alpha square that is equal to 25. Therefore, the answer is 25. So 25 is the answer. So here it is told that if the variance of the frequency distribution xi is 3, then alpha is equal to. So therefore, here the variance that will be equal to the mean of so the variance is summation xi minus x bar whole square by summation fi. And this into is right. It is equal to 3. Therefore, now the mean value, or I can also say this is summation fi xi square I summation phi minus x bar square is equal to 3. The mean, which is x bar, that is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. So that will be equal to 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 6 3 is 18, plus 16 4 is 64, plus 5 alpha, plus 6 9 is 54, plus 7 4 is 35, plus 6 8 is 48. That divided by summation of y, that is 3 plus 6, that is 9, plus 9 to the 18, 10 plus 16, plus 5 plus 6, that is 11, plus alpha. So that will be equal to 18 plus 6, that is 24, 24 plus 24, 64, 54, 35, and 48. So 24 plus 64 plus 54 plus 35 plus 48, that is 225. And 18 plus 16, that is 34. And plus 16 plus 11, that is 45 plus alpha. So this is 225 plus 5 alpha divided by 45 plus alpha. The mean will be, from here 5 I can take as common. So 5 into 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 plus alpha, 5 45 plus alpha. So that is equal to 5. So the mean value is 5. So mean value is independent of alpha. So now therefore, now we have to find xi square. Since mean is independent of alpha, so we can use this, the first formula for variance also. The first formula also we can use. Formula also we can use. So this I can write xi minus 5 whole square. Xi minus 5 whole square. Since the mean value is 5, that will be 2 minus 5, so 3 square, 3 minus 5, so 2 square, 4 minus 5, 1 square, 5 minus 5, 0. Then 6 minus 5, that is 1 square, 7 minus 5, that is 2 square, so 8 minus 5, 3 square. So therefore, now the variance is 3, so that will be summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. And say that therefore 3 square 3 into 3 square 27 plus 7 plus 6 plus 24. 10 9s are 27, 6 4s are 24 plus 16 1s are 16 plus 0 into alpha. So it means the second one only we have to use, since here alpha will get cancelled. Then the big one. Now this is told that the summation fi square will be xi square, which is 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and 64. This will be so therefore with that summation fi square, so it will be 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 6 into 9, that is 54, plus 16 to 16, that is 256, plus this is 25 alpha, plus this is 36 into 9, that is 36 into 9, plus 49 into 5, plus 64 into 6, that divided by, this is the sum is 45 plus alpha, 5 plus alpha, and is 5 square. Mean value is 5, that is equal to 3. Now alpha value we have to find out. Therefore, I can say this will be 36 into 9, that is 324. This is 12 plus 54, that is 66 plus 256 plus 25 alpha plus alpha plus 324 plus this is 64 into 6 is 384 divided by 45 plus alpha, that is equal to 3 plus 25, that is 28. 28, so this will be 84 plus 324 plus 66 plus 256 is 1030 plus 25 alpha, that is equal to 28 into 28 into 45, that is 1260 plus 28 alpha. So therefore, I can say 3 alpha, that will be equal to this is 6 plus 6 plus 18 plus 64 plus 514 plus 64 plus 54 plus 48 should be 6 plus 18 plus 64 plus 54 plus 35 plus 48. 125 plus 5 alpha, and this is 34 plus 11, 45 plus alpha. 5 into 5 plus 20, is it 35? It's 5 only. The mean is independent of alpha. X square. 3 into 4, 6 into 9, 16 into 16, 25 alpha plus 36 into 9, 49 into 5, 64 into 6. So that is 3 to 4. 36 into 9 is 324. 49 into 5 also you do. 49 into 5, that is 245. Plus 245 also we have to do. So this will be 66 plus 256 plus 324 plus 384 plus 245. So that is 1275. This is 1275. So 3 alpha that is equal to 1275 minus 1260, that is equal to 15. So alpha is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. Then here it is told the mean and variance of 7 of 8 and 16 respectively. Mean and the variance of summation xi by 7, that is equal to x bar, that is equal to 8, and the variance sigma square, that is equal to 16, that is told. If one observation 14 is omitted and A and B are respectively mean and variance of the remaining 6 observations, then A plus 3b minus 5 is equal to. So one observation 14 that is removed. So let's say the 7th observation x7 is 14. That is being omitted. But then the new mean value, that is mean, that will be equal to summation xi I was from 1 to 6 divided by 6, that is equal to A, it is told. And the new variance is B, it is told. The new variance, which is B, that will be equal to summation xi square, summation xi square by 6 minus the new mean square. So now, therefore, I can say summation xi I was from 1 to 6 plus 18, that is equal to 8 into 7. Therefore, summation xi I was from 1 to 6. So sum of the first 6 observations, that is 7 is 56 minus 14, that is equal to 42. And sigma square, so it means summation xi square I was from 1 to 6 plus 14 square divided by 7 minus mean square, that is equal to 16. So therefore I can say summation xi square I was from 1 to 6, that will be equal to 16 plus 64, 16 plus 64 into 7 minus 14 square, hence minus 196. That will be equal to, so 16 plus 64, 64 plus 6, that is 70, 70 plus 10 is 80, 87 is 560, 560 minus 196. So that will be, so 560 minus 200, that is 360, 360 plus 4, 364. 164. Therefore, summation xi I goes from 1 to 6 divided by 6, that is equal to 42 divided by 6, that is 7. So 7 is equal to 8. So A is 7 and B that will be equal to, now the new mean is, okay, so it means B is equal to summation xi square I goes from 1 to 6 by 6 minus A square. Therefore, I can say B is equal to summation xi square, that is 364 divided by 6 minus 7 square. That means B is equal to 6 is 36. So this will be 364 minus 49 into 6 by 6. That will be equal to, so 49 into 6, that is 294. So 364 minus 294 divided by 6. So that will be, therefore B is equal to 364 minus 70 by 6, which is equal to 35 by 3. So therefore, A plus 3B minus 5 that we have found out. So that will be equal to A is 7 plus 3B. So 3B will be obviously 35. So 7 plus 35 minus 5. So that is 7 plus 30 plus 37. So 37 is that. And here it is told X is the set of observations 11 to 41 and Y is from 61 to 91. Be the two sets of observations in X bar and Y bar are the respective means, and sigma square is the variance of all the observations in X union Y. Then X bar plus mod of X bar plus Y bar minus sigma square is equal to X square is the mean of all the observations in X. So that is 11 plus 12 plus 41 divided by. So here we will have 41 minus 10, so 31 observations. Here I have 31 elements here. And here we have also 31 elements. So that divided by 31. So this will be, this is n. So it is, so as we know, since it is in AP, so you can say the sum is n by 2 into A plus L. So that is 31 by 2 into A plus L. 11 plus 41 divided by 31. So 31 get cancelled, and this is 52 by 2, that is 26. 26. And then y bar, which is the mean value of all these observations, which is 61 plus 62 plus 91 divided by 31. So this will be equal to 31 by 2 into this is 61 plus 91 divided by 31. So this will be 31 will get cancelled, and this is 2, then 15, 152 by 2. So that is 214, 260, 12. So 76. And sigma square is the variance of all these observations. So sigma square, that will be equal to summation xi square plus summation yi square divided by 62 elements, and minus this is summation xi plus summation yi divided by their mean, that is 62. This real whole square. So now square of these elements Now summation xi that will be equal to 26 into 31. And summation yi that is equal to 76 into 31. Therefore, the mean of all the observations in the set x union y, that will be summation xi plus summation yi by 62. So that will be equal to 26 plus 76 into 31 divided by 62. So that will be 31 divided by 62. So this is 213 the 26 plus 2 4 the 8. No, 2 3 the 6, 2 the 16. 38 plus 13, that is 6 plus 3 11, 2 plus 3 5 51. And then xi I can say that is equal to 10 plus I. Means 10 is x nth term, it is equal to 10 plus n actually. Y nth term, that is actually equal to is the nth term in the set y, that will be equal to 60 plus n. Now we want to find summation xi square. So then that will be summation 10 plus summation xn square. So that is 10 plus n whole square. 10 plus n whole square. That will be equal to summation of 100 plus n square plus 20n. It will be equal to 100, and that is 31 terms. So n goes from 1 to 31. It will be 100 into 31 plus n square. N square 31 times root square. So it means 1 square plus 2 square plus root plus still 31 square. This is plus 20 into 31. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 10, 31. So that will be 3100 plus this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n is 62 plus 1, 63 by 6. N into n plus 1 is equal to plus 1 by 6 plus this is 20 into n by 2 into n plus n. N into n plus 1 by 2, 32. So this will be 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, so 2 16 is 32. So then this will be 2031 into, I can say this is 100 plus 16 into 21 plus 31 and plus 320. Actually 416 16 into 21, so that is 336. 336 plus is 420 is 756. 756 into 31 is. And similarly, summation yn square, y and n goes from 1 to 31. So this will be also. This actually I can write x summation xn square plus summation yn square plus summation xn plus summation yn. So this is actually summation 60 plus n whole square. So this will be equal to summation of 3600 plus 36 plus n square plus it's 2 6 are 12 120 n. So this will be equal to 3600 into 31 31 times root 1 plus n square, that is, this is 31 into 16 into 21 plus this is 120 into summation of n, that is equal to 31 into 32 by 2. This is 60. So this will be equal to 31 into 3600 plus 16 into 21, which is 336. 336 plus this is 60 into 32. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12, 6 to 18, 1920. This will be equal to 1920 plus 3936 is 5856. 5856 into 31. And therefore, sigma square that will be equal to summation xn square, that is 756 into 31 plus this is 5856 into 31 divided by 62. This is this, and minus this is 51 square. This will be equal to so we can actually 756 plus 5856 into 31 by 62. So this by 2 minus 51 square. So this will be equal to 5856 plus 756. So that sigma square is that is actually is 3306 minus 51 square, that is 2601. That is equal to 705. Sigma square is 705. Now, therefore, we need to find the mod of x bar, that is 26 plus 76 minus this is 705. So this will be equal to plus 26, so that is 102. 705 minus 102. This will be equal to 603. 603 is the answer. And here it is told the mean deviation about median for the numbers 3, 5, 7, 2K, 12, 16, 21, 24 arranged in the ascending order is. If they are arranged in the ascending order is 6, then the median is. So they are arranged in the ascending order, so it is 6. Therefore, it means so here we have 4 numbers and here we have 4 numbers. So these are arranged in the ascending order only. And so obviously it means 2K should be less than 6. 2K should be less than 6, then only the median will become 6. In deviation about the median is 6. So the mean deviation of this is 6. Mean deviation about the median for these numbers is 6 when they are arranged in the ascending order. So this is already arranged in the ascending order. So it means 2K, that is more than 7 and less than 12. That means k value should be more than 3.5 and less than 6. And so therefore, the median, that is obviously capital M, that is the mean of the, since there are even number of observations, there are 8 observations, so it will be the mean of the fourth observation and the fifth observation. The fourth observation is 2k and fifth observation is 12, so that by 2, that is k plus 6. So k plus 6 is the median in this case. Now the mean deviation about the median, that will be equal to summation xi, summation mod of xi minus m divided by 8. Since y here n is 8, and that is given as 6. So therefore 3 minus k plus 6, k is more than 3.5 obviously. And 2k is more than 7. 2k is more than 7 obviously. So k plus 6. So k plus 6 value means k plus 6, that will be obviously more than 9.5 and less than 12. So 3 is obviously less than that. So this will be k plus 6 minus 3, that is k plus 3, then plus k plus 6 minus 5 is k plus 1, k plus 6 minus 7, that is k minus 1, and 2k minus k plus 6, that is k is more than 7 but less than 12. 2k minus k plus 6, that is k minus 6. Now k can be, this can be negative also, or this can be positive also. K is less than 6, it is told. So 2k minus of k plus 6 when you do, that is coming k minus 6, or 6 is more than k, it is told. More than k, so 6 minus k right here. This should not be k minus 6, it should be 6 minus k, since we have to take the mod of that. To take the mod, so mod of k minus 6 should be obviously 6 minus k. This is 6 minus k, and plus 12 minus 12 is more than k plus 6. So 12 minus k plus 6, 12 minus k plus 6, so 12 minus k minus 6, that is 6 minus k, and plus 16 minus k minus 6, that is 10 minus k, and plus 21 minus k minus 6, that is 15 minus k, and plus 24 minus k minus 6, that is 18 minus k. So that this thing divided by 8, that is equal to 6. Therefore, here you can see that this, will be gone. So this plus k and minus k will get cancelled. And here also plus k and minus k will get cancelled. Plus k and minus k will get cancelled. So this will become 3 plus 1 minus 1 also will get cancelled. This will be 3 plus 6, that is 9, plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 minus k plus 18 minus k divided by 8, that is equal to 6. 9, okay, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6 plus 10 minus k, that is equal to 6. So therefore I can say this is 9 plus 15, that is 24. 24 no, 6. 9 plus 50, 24, 24 plus 6, that is 30, 30 plus 24 plus 6, 30 plus 10, that is 14, 40 plus 18, that is 58, 58 minus 2k, that is equal to 8 into 6, that is 48. So 2k will be equal to 58 minus 48, that is 10. Therefore, k will be equal to 10 by 5, 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5, and therefore the median has been asked. The median is k plus 6, which is 5 plus 6, which will be 11. 5 plus 6 is 11, so the required median is 11, so option D is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of all these questions. Still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. And please install our Sapience education application also, where we shall upload some important questions based on the previous year JEE mains exam on every chapter of maths, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you everyone. Bye. So here it is told that the number of values of k belongs to n such that the variance of these the natural numbers. So the variance of these values, that should be a natural number. So their mean value will be, here we have got 5 values. So 3 plus 7 plus 12 plus a plus 43 minus a divided by 5. So that will be equal to a and a will get cancelled. So 3 plus 7, 10 plus 12, that is 22. So 22 plus 43 is 65 divided by 5. So that is 5 on the 5, 5 to the 15. So the mean value is 13. So the variance will be summation of xi minus x bar whole square divided by 5. This will be equal to 3 minus 13 whole square is 10 square plus 7 minus 13 is 6 whole square plus 12 minus 13, that is 1 whole square, plus a minus 13 whole square plus 43 minus a minus 30, that is 30 minus a whole square divided by divided by 5, that is equal to, that should be a natural number. That is some value n, where let's say it is n, where m belongs to n. So the variance should be a natural number. So then I can say this will be 100 plus 36 plus 1, so 37 plus 100, that is 137, plus this is a square plus 13 square, that is 169, minus 26a, plus this is 30 square, that is 900, plus a square minus, that is 68, that is equal to 5. So therefore I can say this is 2a square, 2a square minus this is 86a, 2a square minus 86a, and plus this is 900 plus 137, that is 1037. This 169. So if we add these two, that will be equal to 9 plus 7, that is 16, 9 plus 1, that is 10, is 2, and 1, 1, 2, 0, 6, is 6. Z is equal to 5. So then I can say this will be 2 into a square minus 43a plus 603, that is equal to 5. So it means this thing should be a multiple of 5. So now, if we factorize it, then we'll have 603. If we do, then 3 is a 6, 3 is a 3, 18, 3, 6, 18, 3, 7 is a 21. Then, yeah, so this will be, should be a natural number. This is a multiple of 5. Here, this I can say this would be hence this part, this should be also a multiple of 5. So I can say this is a square minus 43a plus 3 minus 5n, that is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation and a should be a natural number. So a will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac ac by 2a. It means this is the discriminant. Now the thing is, therefore, is 43 square minus 4 into 600, 3 minus 5n. That should be a perfect square. So this will be equal to 43 square, which is 40 plus 3 whole square. So that will be equal to 1600 plus 9 plus 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 240. So this will be equal to 1849. 1849 minus this is 4 3 is 12, 4 6 is 24 plus this is 20n. This will be equal to 20n minus 9. So this will be equal to 3 plus 5, so 6. And 5. This is 563. So the discriminant is 20n minus 563. Now it should be a perfect square. Then only it will. Then only A will be rational, and if A is rational, then only it can be a natural number. It means this entire thing, this should be a multiple of 2. This should be an even number. Then only A will be a natural number. So it means the discriminant should be at least a perfect square. The discriminant should be a perfect square at least. Now here 20n will be always have a 0 in its units place. So for any natural number n, 20n will have 0 in the units place. 0 in the units place. So it means 20n minus 563 will always have 7 in its in the unit space. Will always have 7 in the unit space. Now the thing is, any square number will always end with, will always have either 0 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 6 5 6 36 7 7 is 49 64 81. So only these numbers it will have. Any square number, it means any perfect square number will always have these numbers in their unit space. So hence we can say that there is no such square number which will have 7 in its units place. So the discriminant, this will never be a square number. It will never be a square number. So hence it means that A can't be a natural number. So hence we can say the discriminant will be always irrational only in this case. Be irrational only in this case. So A also will be irrational. So A also will be irrational. So hence it will never be a natural number. So hence it will never be a natural number. So hence there is no such values of A for which the variance is a natural number. So the answer will be option A, which is 0. And here it is told, let the mean and the variance of 5 observations be these respectively. Let the mean and the variance of 5 observations be these respectively. With the mean and the variance of the first 4 observations of 7 by 2 and A respectively, then 4A plus x5 is equal to. So the mean and the variance, so the mean value, that is x bar, it is summation xi by 5, that is equal to 24 by 5, and the variance is sigma square, that is equal to summation xi square by 5 minus x bar square, that is equal to 194 by 25. If the mean and the variance of the first 4 observations are 7 by 2 and A respectively, then 4A plus x5 is equal to. So the first 4 observations means summation xi by 4, I goes from 1 to 4. Their mean, let's call it as let's call it as y bar or mu, let's say. So this is equal to given as 7 by 2. And the variance of the first 4 observations, that is A. So A will be equal to summation xi square, where I goes from 1 to 4 by 4 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Then we have to find out 4A plus x5. This value we have to find out. Now, the thing is that so from here we can see that summation xi, I goes from 1 to 5, that is equal to 24, since 5 will cancel out here. So therefore I can say summation xi, I goes from 1 to 4, that will be equal to 24 minus x5. Or minus x5. Since this plus x5, that is equal to 24. So, and from here also I can see that summation xi, where I was from 1 to 4, that is equal to 7 by 2 into 4, so 7 to the 14. This is 14. So therefore, x5, that is equal to actually 24 minus 14, that is equal to 10. So x5 is 10. We have got it. Now, here is told that summation xi square, that I goes from 1 to 4 plus x5 square, that is 10 square, divided by 5 minus x bar, which is 24 by 5 whole square. 24 by 5 whole square, that will be equal to 194 by 25. Equal to 194 by 25. And summation xi square, I goes from 1 to 4. That will be equal to 194 by 25 plus this will be 24 square, that is 25 square is 625. Now 24 square is 20 plus 4 whole square, so that is equal to 400 plus 16 plus 5 plus 16 minus 60, so that is 576. 576 by 25, so that into 5 minus 100 plus this, that into 5 minus 100. So this will be summation xi square that I was that is equal to 576 plus 194, that will be 94 plus 6, that is 200. 4 plus 6, that is 200. So 200 plus 570, that is 770. 200, so similarly 770 by 25 into 5 minus 100. So this is equal to 5. 5 5 is 25. So summation xi square I goes from 1 to 4. So this will be equal to 770 minus 500 divided by 5. So this will be equal to 270 by 5. 270 by 5. Therefore, A will be equal to 270 by 5 divided by 4. And minus this is 7 by 2 whole square. In the 2 whole square, which is 49 by 4. So this will be equal to 5 4s are 20. So 270 by 20 minus 49 by 4. So this will be 0. Now LCM is 4. So 2 into 27 is 54 minus 49. This will be 5 by 4. So A is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, we need to find out the value of 4A plus x5. So this will be, now A is equal to 5 by 4. So 4A will be equal to 5. So this is 5 plus x5. x5 is 10. So that is equal to 15. So 15, option B is the correct answer. And here it is told the mean and variance of the data, the mean and variance of the data 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, x, y, where x is less than y are 6 and 9 by 4 respectively, then x power 4 plus y square is equal to x power 4 plus y square is equal to. The mean is 6, so therefore I can say mean value is x bar, that will be equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus x plus y divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by 8. So this will be equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. Yeah. So 9 plus 7 plus 2 60 are 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20, 20 plus x plus y, that divided by 8. So that is given as 6. Mean is 6. So therefore we can say that x plus y, that will be equal to 6 x of 48 minus this is 1 plus 9, that is 16, 16 plus 22, that is 36. So it means x plus y is equal to 12. X plus y is 12. And then the variance is, now the mean is 6. So therefore, and x is less than y. Therefore, the variance of x, that will be equal to variance, that is, so 4 minus 6, so it is summation xi minus x bar, which is 6 whole square divided by 8, and that is 9 by 4. So therefore I can say summation xi square, so that is 4 minus 6 2 square plus 5 minus 6 1 square plus 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, so 7 minus 6 again 1 square, 8 minus 6 2 square plus x minus 6 square plus y minus 6 whole square divided by 8. So that is equal to 9 by 4 into 8, that is 9 to the 4 to the 8, so 9 to the 18. Therefore I can say from here x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, that is equal to 18 minus 9 to the 18 minus, this is 4 plus 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 5, that is 10, that is equal to 8. So now from here I can see that x minus 6 plus y minus 6, that is equal to 0 I can say. If I take this is x minus 6 is a, y minus 6 is b. So therefore this is actually a square plus b square, that is equal to 8, and a plus b equal to 0. So b equal to minus a. So therefore I can say 2a square, that is equal to 8. So a square is equal to 8. A square is equal to 4. So a will be equal to plus or minus 2. Now here it is told x is less than y. X is less than y. So now if I take a is 2, then x minus 6 is 2. X will be equal to 8. And then e is equal to minus a. Then y will be equal to 12 minus 8, that is 4. But this we will not, we can't consider this, since by here it is told x is less than y. So in the second case, if I take a as minus 2, then x will be equal to 4 and y will be equal to 8. Now this case we can consider this, since y x is less than y. Therefore x is 4, y is 8. So therefore we can find out x square, x power 4 plus y square. So that will be equal to 4 power 4 plus 8 square. So this will be equal to now 4 power 4, that is 4 for the 16. This is 16 square plus 8 square. So that is 16 square is 256 plus 8 square is 64. So that is 64 plus 6, that is 70. 70 plus 250, that is 320. So option B is the correct answer. Here it is told the mean and standard deviation of 50 observations are 15 and 2 respectively. If it was found that one incorrect observation was taken, so that sum of correct and incorrect observations is 70. It was found that one incorrect observation was taken, so that sum of correct and incorrect observations 70. If your correct mean is 16, the correct variance is equal to. There are 50 observations. So let's say x50, which is the 50th observation, was incorrect. Only one incorrect observation was taken, so that sum of correct and incorrect observations is 70. So now therefore I can say the mean value x bar, that is summation xi, where I goes from 1 to 50 divided by 50, that is equal to 15, it is told. So therefore summation xi, I goes from 1 to 50, it is given as 15 5 75 750. So one incorrect observation was taken. So that sum of correct and incorrect observations was 70. So let's say x50 was incorrect, and let's say we take it as a. So then the correct observation, is 70 minus 8. Since why? It is told that the incorrect observation and the correct observation is their sum is 70. So it means if I take the incorrect observation as A, then the correct observation will be 70 minus A. Now therefore we can say now that summation xi, that I goes from 1 to 49 plus the incorrect one, that is A, that is equal to 750. So, and it is also told the correct mean that is equal to 16, and that is equal to summation I goes from 1 to 49 xi plus 70 minus A divided by 50. Therefore, from here I can say summation xi I goes from 1 to 49, that is equal to 750 minus A. So this I can write that 16 plus, so 16, sorry. Here you can say that summation 16 5 80, 800. That is equal to 750 minus A plus 70 minus A. So therefore I can say 2A that is equal to 820 minus 800. 7 plus 5 is 12. So it means 2A is equal to 20. So A is equal to 10. That means the observation 10 that was incorrect and the correct observation was 16. Therefore, now the correct variance that we have to find out. And it is also told the standard deviation was 2 with the incorrect observation. So now therefore, the incorrect variance sigma x square, that is equal to 4, that is equal to summation xi square I goes from 1 to 49 plus the A square. A is 10, so 10 square. A is equal to 10. A is equal to the 50th observation, which is 10. We got it as 10. Summation xi square plus 10 square divided by, this is 50 minus the incorrect mean, that is 15 square. Therefore, I can say summation xi square I goes from 1 to 49. That will be equal to 4 plus 225 plus 4, that is equal to 229 into 50 minus 100. Then therefore, correct variance the correct variance that will be equal to therefore the correct variance that will be equal to summation xi square I goes from 1 to 49 plus 60 square divided by 50 minus the correct mean, that is 60 square. Now this is 49. So this divided by 15 minus 15 square, that is equal to 4. Therefore, I can say summation xi square I use from 1 to 49, that is equal to 229 to 50 minus 100. So this will be equal to, this is 229 to 50 minus 100 plus this is 3600 divided by 50 minus this is 256. 56, so this would be 229 plus this is 3500 divided by 50. Minus 56, so this is 35, 70. So this is 299 minus 256. So this will be equal to 43. So the correct variance is 43. So option C is the correct answer. And here it is told the mean of the numbers is 6 and the variance is 6.8. If m is the mean deviation of the numbers about the mean, then 25 m is equal to. Mean of the numbers is 6, so I can say that mean, that is a plus b plus n plus 5 plus 10 divided by 5, since 5 numbers are there, that is equal to 6. So therefore I can say a plus b, that is equal to 6 equal to 30 minus this 13 plus 10, that is 23. So a plus b equal to 7. And their variance is 6.2. So therefore I can say that it's a minus 6 whole square plus b minus 6 whole square plus 8 minus 6, that is 2 square, plus 3 minus 6 1 square plus 4 square divided by 5, that is equal to 6.8. Therefore I can say a minus 6 whole square plus b minus 6 whole square, that is equal to 5 8s of 40. This is a 30, 34 minus 6 4 to the 16 plus 4, that is 20, 21. So that is equal to 13. Equal to 13. So now from here I can say this would be a square minus 12a plus 36 plus b square minus 12b plus 36, that is equal to 13. So therefore I can say a square plus b square minus 12 into a plus b, that is 7 plus 72, that is equal to 13. So therefore I can say a square plus b square, that will be equal to 13 plus 12 is 84 minus 72, that is equal to, this is 12. 12 plus 13, that is equal to 25. A square plus b square is 25. So therefore I can say a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is equal to 25. So now therefore this is 7 square 49 minus 2ab, that is equal to 25. So therefore I can say that 2ab, that will be equal to 24. So 2ab is 24. So therefore a minus b whole square, that would be equal to a square plus b square 25 minus 2ab, that is minus 24. So that is equal to 1. So a minus b, that is equal to plus or minus 1. We can take it as 1 also. So therefore then If you take it as +1, then A, if we add these two equations, this and this equation 1 and equation 2, we add them, then we get 2A that is equal to 8. So A will be equal to 4, so B will be equal to 3. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Now, M is the mean deviation of the numbers about the mean. Mean deviation of the numbers about the mean. So therefore, I can say that score B is 3. Therefore, the numbers are 4, 3, 4, 3, 8, 6, no, 8, 5, and 10. 4, 3, 8, 5, and 10, and their mean value is 6. 6, and so the M is the mean deviation about the mean deviation about the mean that we have to find out. That into 25 we have to find out. And so mean deviation about the mean, that will be equal to summation mod of xi minus x bar divided by 5. Since here mean is 5 numbers of it. So that will be equal to x bar is 6. Now here, what formula have we used to find the variance? Since we know that variance equal to, this will be summation square root of, no, summation xi minus x bar whole square by n. So here n is 5 and x bar is 6. So we have subtracted and find out. Subtracted 6 from every observation and find out the variance, and the variance has been given as 6.8. And then here, so this would be summation xi minus x bar. So 4 minus 6 mod, that is 2. 3 minus 6 mod, that is 3. Plus 8 minus 6 mod 2. Plus 5 minus 6 mod, that is 1. Plus 10 minus 6 mod, that is 4. Divided by 5. So this would be equal to 3 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 5. Now, therefore, 25m has been asked. 25m, that will be 25 into 12 by 5. So that is 5 5 is 25, 12 5 is 60. So 60 is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And here it has been told that the mean and the variance of 20 observations, x1, x2 till x20, be 15 and 9 respectively. So therefore, the mean value, mean x bar, that is summation xi, I goes from 1 to 20 divided by 20, that is equal to 15. So therefore, I can say summation xi, I goes from 1 to 20, that is equal to 15 to the 30, so 300. And similarly, variance, that is sigma x square, that is equal to 9. It means summation xi minus x bar, that is xi minus 15 whole square. I can say this is actually summation xi xi square by I goes from 1 to 20 divided by 20 minus x bar square, that is 15 square, that is equal to 9. Therefore, I can say summation xi square, I goes from 1 to 20, that is equal to 9 plus 225, 225 plus 9 into 20. So alpha belongs to R. If the mean of x1 plus alpha whole square plus x and x2 plus alpha whole square and x20 plus alpha whole square is 178, then the square of the maximum value of alpha is square of the maximum value of alpha is square of the maximum value of alpha. So alpha square, alpha max square, that we need to find out square of the maximum value of alpha. So now, therefore, we can say that it's told that the mean value of this was summation xi plus alpha whole square, but I goes from 1 to 20 divided by 20, that is given as 178. So therefore, now xi plus alpha whole square, that can be written as xi square plus alpha square plus 2 alpha xi. So therefore, there's summation. This will be summation xi square plus summation alpha square plus summation 2 alpha xi. So this will be summation xi square plus alpha square. This is going from I equals from 1 to 20 only. So alpha square will be added 20 times. So this is 20 alpha square. So this will be 2 alpha into summation xi. So this is 2 alpha into summation xi. I goes from 1 to 20, which is 300 actually. So now from here you can see, so therefore this will be summation xi square. So this will be equal to this 225 plus 9, that is 234. 234 into 20. So this will be equal to 2 for the 8, 2 for the 8, which is 6 will be 4, 4680 plus 20 alpha square plus 2 alpha into 300. So that is 600 alpha. Okay. This will be 4680 plus 20 alpha square plus 600 alpha, that by 20, that is 178. So this will be equal to 178 into 20. So now, therefore, I can say that 20 alpha square plus 600 alpha, that plus 4680 minus, this will be 178 into 20, that is 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 3560 minus 3560, that is equal to 0. So therefore, from here I can say this is 20 alpha square plus 600 alpha plus this will be 1120, that is equal to 0. So with 0 you can divide both sides by 20. So 0 by 20 is 0 only, and this will be alpha square plus this will be 30 alpha plus this will be equal to 2 5 is 10, 56 is 12, 56, that is equal to 0. Now 56 I can say that is equal to 28 into 2 plus 16 plus 4 5, since by 28 plus 2, that is equal to 30. So I can say alpha plus 28 into alpha plus 2, that is equal to 0. Now the square of the maximum value of alpha. Maximum value of alpha. So therefore, from here alpha will get minus 2 or minus 28. So therefore, the maximum value of alpha is minus 2. Is minus 2. So therefore, the square of that, for alpha maximum square, that will be equal to minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the answer. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these questions based on the previous year JEE Maths exam. Still, any doubts if you have, please write it in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them, and please install our Sapience education application where we shall upload some important questions, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you, everyone. Bye.